As you can see, we are located here on the beautiful UBC campus, which is, in my opinion, one of the most stunning universities in the world. And we are actually right now in front of the student residence where our students live and take some of their classes and participate in their activities. Students are coming here to learn a little bit of English, of course, but also to learn a little bit about their place in the world, to learn about the UN Sustainable Development Goals, how those goals can improve life for everyone if we can meet them correctly, and how they can participate to help be better global citizens and leaders in their community. In the morning, students focus on kind of more traditional textbook activities, which are linked to the Sustainable Development Goals. And then in the afternoon, they actually focus on the UN Sustainable Development Goals themselves and learn how to be better global leaders. We've got a lot of activities. Students have been kayaking to learn about the importance of good health. We've had some workshops where they have learned how to recycle properly and learn how we can reuse some of the things that we throw away. We've had a whole variety of guest speakers. The students have participated in a beach cleanup where they've actually been out to Jericho Beach and tried to clean up some of our precious natural environments. Students have learned about the Rockies and some of the environmental threats facing our beautiful mountains and natural areas, and they've made friends and had some great conversation.
I'm from Mexico City. I'm 17 years old and I am really enjoying this trip because I have met a lot of incredible people. I like also my classes, my teachers, my classmates are incredible, and I really recommend this camp because it's amazing and it's like an experience I will never forget in all my life.
I'm from Japan. I'm 16. I'm gonna stay here for 3 weeks. This camp is really fun. You can learn English, obviously, and you can also have like friends from another country, which is very nice. For example, I made friends from Taiwan and also Mexico and Turkey, which is very nice.
I'm from Turkey. Right now I'm here at SSLC program. We are in Vancouver at UBC campus, and it's such a good campus to be making learning English because like the people are too nice as well.
At the same time, you can see a lot of attractions, a lot of beautiful things, and like SSLC is a very special place at the same time. Like focus on like SDG programs, sustainability, it's one of the most important things in Vancouver at the same time. And like you can see the examples in Vancouver, in British Columbia. So like you're learning interactively and at the same time you're having friends and you're having good times. So
I really do recommend living in an English-speaking country. Being immersed in the language 24 hours a day is one of the best ways to soak it in. Students learn all the time, and the great thing about being here 24 hours a day is that they're learning even when they're not in class, through having conversations with their friends in the evening, through watching movies in English, through participating in activities. They're constantly learning and working to improve their skills, having conversations with their friends and peers. And so living in a foreign country, visiting a foreign country is a fantastic way to build your English skills, to have a fantastic experience, to make new friends that will stay with you for life. And SSLC is one of the best schools to improve your English skills. So I do recommend that if you want to improve your child's English, pick SSLC for your child's summer camp experience. You won't regret it.